Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel in Excel Lab. Today we are going to learn about file options from Microsoft Excel. So let's start with the video. First let me open Microsoft Excel. So I'll just open it. I hope you can see my screen now. Let me go to this blank file first. So this is my blank file, as you can see. Now if I go from here to the file option from here, so you can see various other options are available, right? So on the right side you can see the recent files, those who are just open, and you can make it favorite if you want. So this is a star mark is given for that. If you do that, it will come here like favorites. Okay, so I made two favorites. One is for monthly cost, another one is book2.xls. so these are in favorites. Now go back one second here. Now from here you can see this is the various templates available by default. Okay, so if I go here new, and if I want to do some blank workbook, we know already. So if I do like sales forecast, say this one, so by default it will be giving you like this, so that you can save your time by doing such work. So you no need to search in Google and go there and then search it, then make a sheet on your own. So it by default is given the template. So go here and click create. So it is created. Now here you can change whatever the changes required. That's the basic thing you have to change, right, as per the company is required. So once this is done, so you can change all this stuff as per your requirement, so it will be ready for you. So let's take another example for it. So I can go to this file and then new. So if I go here, say personal expenses, then personal monthly budget, so I'm taking this one. So if I click here, again the same way you have to do like this and go to create. It will be opened like personal monthly budget. What is projected income for monthly, then projected budget, actual, difference, everything is given here, like loans, transportation, everything is given here, right? Taxes, insurance, everything you can get here. So it will save lots of time for your work when you are doing like this, because if I go here and start typing, it will be taking so much of time. So this is the beauty of this Excel. And if I go here once again, I want some print for this. So what do I do? I go here and then go to this print. So if I click here, you can see directly print will come like this. It is by default is given like this. So you no need to format the page, or you need to see the page separately, so that it will come to print and properly print for you, not needed anything. So it is by default given. So if I go here and go to this print, I'll get the print. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you soon in another video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button, so that whenever I post the new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till another video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon in another video. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.